This is Els coming to you from Beamish Crafty Corner. And boy, this no Scaventure thing is really starting to get to me. I'm telling you guys. So, it's a good thing that China mail still comes in, right? Because I got 1, 2, 3 China mails today. I was going to save them, but I needed something, okay? I needed my fix. So let's see what we've got. I love what they always put on the front of these. Let's see. What's this one say? Ooh, this one says jewelry accessory. So, hard to say what that might be, but we're going to find out. Yep. These are my new bling blings. Yep. I got some new bling blings. Yes, very special. I'm going to be adding those into the shop. This one says it's lace. Yeah, it could be lace. It feels squishy. Here's what gets me though. You know, I order from 2 stores on Alley. Oh yeah, this is my Dealy Bop. Yep, Dealy Bop. Pom-pom. Yep, ordered some pom-pom. Needed it. We were out in the shop. But I order from 2 shops, and like I order like 10 things at a time, and the guy still sends it in single packages, and they get here all over the place. And this one says, description of item, toy, 1. Now, I'm going to tell you, that's a roll of washi tape. Thing is I haven't ordered any washi tape. Oh, I know what this is. Yep. This is the new washi tape. I got this specifically for Mixed Media Macabre because it's got Jason and Michael and what's that other guy? Freddy? Yeah, Freddy Krueger on it. It's got Jason and Freddy and Michael. Again and again and again. Let's find the end of this so we can actually take a look. It doesn't have an end. Haha. Thought I felt the end. Okay. Fooled you. Okay. Yep. Okay, there we go. There it is. That's it. It's my new washi tape. Yep, had to get it. Had to do it. It was pretty sticky too, actually, for washi tape, which is kind of impressive. Alright, so that's it. That's all I got from China. I got some doodly bops that are going to go into the store because I needed doodly bops in the store. And I got some new gems that are going to go into the store because I just thought they were gorgeous and they needed to go into the store. So I'm going to be putting these in the store. And some Freddy tape that I got for me, okay? Yeah. That's it, guys. That's all I have for you. I am working on putting together some more videos for, you know, fun projects we can do with the kids so as not to lose our minds. Until the next time, if you haven't done so already, hit the red button for me and subscribe, like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Bye-bye.